This video will give the best 4 websites I have found to make money online for free. These days, a lot of people are looking to make money online. The idea is that you can work from home or anywhere with an internet connection. We are having various online jobs, like freelancing, remote work, selling things online, or doing digital marketing. I've found 4 websites where you can earn money based on your skills. Interestingly, one of them doesn't need any special talents. All it requires is your typing ability. Let me share these 4 websites with you. 1. Rev.com. Rev is an online platform where you can find transcription jobs, getting paid to turn audio files or videos into text. The payment varies from 30 cents to $1 per minute based on the type of transcription you do. What's cool is that you receive your earnings every single week. To kick off, you'll need good English skills, a computer, and a reliable internet connection. Taking a quiz and submitting a transcript to showcase your English language proficiency and understanding of Rev's styling rules are also part of the process. Once you get the green light, you can start working right away. As a transcriptionist, you'll receive your pay every Monday for all the audio files you transcribed and completed the previous week. Freelance transcriptionists at rev.com are adept typists who convert spoken words into written text. 2. Preply.com. PeerApply is an online platform connecting students with tutors worldwide. If you have language skills, you can become a tutor on Preply and earn between $12 to $25 per hour. You can pick the subjects you want to teach and your preferred hours. They also offer a library of resources to enhance your teaching skills and attract more students. To qualify as a Preply tutor, you need to meet a few requirements. Be at least 18 years old. Have a reliable internet connection and a computer with a webcam. Be fluent in the language you want to teach. Possess previous teaching experience or a teaching certification. If you meet these criteria and enjoy teaching, Preply can be a great platform to share your expertise and earn money. 3. Clickworker.com. Clickworker serves as an online platform that provides users with the opportunity to engage in various microtasks, offering a diverse range of activities such as data entry, photography, AI system training, voice recording, and survey participation. According to insights gathered from users on Clickworker have reported earnings ranging from $8 to $20 per hour. Several factors contribute to this variability, including the availability of tasks, user eligibility for specific assignments, and the efficiency with which tasks are completed. The platform's appeal lies in its adaptability to the user's schedule, making it a suitable option for those looking to balance work with other commitments. Users can choose tasks based on their skill set, preferences, and availability, contributing to the casual and flexible nature of the Clickworker platform. 4. UserTesting.com. UserTesting is an online platform that offers paid opportunities for users to participate in usability testing. The website serves as a medium for companies to assess their products and services with actual users and compensates participants for their valuable feedback. As reported by users, typically pays $10 per test, with the testing duration ranging between 5 and 20 minutes. Some tests offer even higher compensation, such as $30 for 30 minutes or $60 for an hour. It's crucial to bear in mind that the availability of tests and the potential earnings are subject to variations based on your demographics, location, and the specific tests for which you qualify. These are the websites that I shared with you. If you are interested in any of them, you can look out for them. Stay subscribed for more videos. Thank you for watching.